Welcome, homeowners. Today, we're diving into a topic that can save you a lot of headaches and money: proactive plumbing maintenance. Your home's plumbing system is vital, and a little regular attention can prevent major disasters. Understanding the basics of your plumbing can empower you to tackle minor issues and recognize when to call in a professional. Let's explore some practical steps you can take to keep your water flowing smoothly. Clogged drains are one of the most common plumbing nuisances. The good news is, many clogs are entirely preventable with simple habits. Avoid pouring grease, coffee grounds, or excessive food scraps down your kitchen sink. For bathroom drains, hair is the primary culprit. Consider installing drain screens or hair catchers in your showers and tubs. A monthly flush with hot water and a cup of baking soda followed by vinegar can also help keep drains clear. Your water heater works hard, and it needs some care to perform optimally. Sediment can build up at the bottom of the tank, reducing efficiency and potentially shortening its lifespan. To combat this, drain a few gallons from the bottom of your water heater tank once a year. This flushes out accumulated sediment, improving performance and extending the unit's life. Always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions. Toilets are generally robust, but they do require some attention. Avoid using your toilet as a trash can. Only flush human waste and toilet paper. Anything else can lead to clogs and system strain. Listen for phantom flushes or continuous running water. These often indicate a faulty flapper or fill valve, which are relatively inexpensive and easy to replace. Addressing these issues promptly saves water and prevents larger problems. Even small leaks can lead to significant water waste and costly damage over time. Regularly check under sinks, around toilets, and near appliances for any signs of moisture or drips. Pay attention to your water meter. If you suspect a hidden leak, turn off all water-using appliances and fixtures in your home. Check your water meter. If it's still moving, you likely have a leak somewhere. Dripping faucets are not just annoying. They waste water and can stain your fixtures. Often, a worn-out washer or O-ring is the cause. These are simple parts to replace for most DIYers. Regularly clean aerators on your faucets. Mineral deposits can build up, reducing water flow and spray quality. Unscrew them, clean out any debris, and reattach for improved performance. Knowing the location of your main water shutoff valve is crucial. In an emergency, like a burst pipe, quickly turning off the main supply can prevent extensive water damage to your home. Test the valve periodically to ensure it isn't seized. A quarter turn in each direction, then back to its original position, is usually sufficient. Make sure everyone in your household knows where it is. Don't forget your outdoor plumbing, especially as seasons change. Disconnect garden hoses in the fall to prevent water from freezing and expanding in your outdoor spigots, which can cause pipes to burst. Consider installing frost-free spigots if you live in a colder climate. These are designed to prevent freezing by draining water from the pipe when the spigot is turned off. While many plumbing tasks are DIY-friendly, know your limits. For complex issues like persistent low water pressure, sewer line backups, or major pipe repairs, it's always best to call a licensed plumber. Early detection and regular maintenance are your best defense against major plumbing headaches. By following these practical tips, you'll keep your home's plumbing system running smoothly for years to come.